Yeah. Got a sack of that lime. I do this shit one time for the homies on the side, but I be in this fucking game on this fucking main line. I don't give a fucking shit cause I don't got that fucking time. I be in the studio chillin' with no, and that nigga AP, man, you should know me. We be in this fucking shit till 3 in the morning. I don't give a fuck. I'll fuck this bitch even if she rollin', man. I be on the bars going so hard. I be rolling in the car, man. Trap fucking star, ayy.
Like he said, we going hard on the boulevard. Pussy nigga will pull your car. Don't really give a fuck who you are. Man, hold up, we kinda like them shooting stars. Matter of fact, I done passed Mars. Man, you can tell I spit them fucking prison bars. Cause them hoes too hard for y'all to fuck with. Y'all wanna hate, suck a dick, switch this like a subject. Man, hold up, don't really give a fuck. Give me 40 ounce, I'ma chug it. Cause a young nigga like me thuggin'. Don't really give a fuck who you lovin'. See me, I'm like the dirty dozen. I'll mix the one when I come. Bitch, cause you know I'm ready to jump. Man, hold up, I'ma take none. Don't really give a fuck cause I'm about my damn funds. Matter of fact, hold up when I come. Matter of fact, let me come through. I'ma knock the door, man. What you know about me, man? I'ma hit the flow. A to the P for the damn O. D-Tex, man, hold up, man. You better wear your motherfucking vest when you on the flex. Cause you already know, nigga like me, I'm going to Rex. Come through, man, you know who it is, bitch. Your hoe wanna text me off that shit. Cause you know, she's a freak bitch. See me, man, I don't need this. Cause a nigga bout my damn chest. For sure, cause I'ma stack my dough. Matter of fact, man, fuck them hoes. Don't really give a fuck, hell no. Cause you know I'ma stay on the low. Pimp from my head to 10 toes. Man, hold up, I'ma throw them bows. And I ain't talking about them fucking 84s. Hell no, man, don't really give a fuck what you talking about. Cause my guns will make you walk it out. Man, hold up, cause you know just what the fuck I be about. Everything to say, I don't play, man. I run up where you stay to AK to your face. Then I blast away if you wanna hate. I regulate to your fucking spot. Don't really give a fuck, nigga, suck a cock. Hold up, I'ma tell your spot, nigga, come through, man. Cause the block so hot. Man, what you know about me? I'm a park to the drop, nigga, when it's straight. Don't give a fuck, nigga, wanna hate, man. That's okay, cause you know, come through with a photo cap on the waist. Come through, hit a nigga in the face. Man, hold up, nigga, that's a mistake. Come through, man, what you know about me? Don't really give a fuck, nigga, hit in the place. Cause you know, man, come through, hit the shit. Come through when I smoke them blunts. Hold up, cause I stunt. Don't really give a fuck, cause I'm pop my truck, nigga, what?
Like he said, he's gonna pop his trunk on these niggas cause they know we coming down from Texas. We don't play, we leave these boys with their brains out their head. Cause you know we coming down so fast and switching up in slow lanes. We popping more bars than you would ever see in a fucking bag hard. Make a nigga go insane, straight to the fucking brain. You know what I fucking mean. If a nigga take a bar, he gon' fall asleep. Couple hours, maybe a day or two. You know what I mean. Straight drive that fucking car when you on them bars. You gon' crash that hoe and leave it fucking total to the fucking parking lot. Yeah, you know, straight to the fucking parking lot where nigga can pick that shit up real quick and leave it at your front yard.
Yeah.